Welcome back to the tailgate. Let's talk about cleaning and maintenance of electrodes. So periodically, you can get mineral deposits, CYA buildup on your probe tips, and they may need to be cleaned. So I've got 2 cups here. One is soapy water, okay? And I'm cleaning my probes in soapy water first, 5 to 10 seconds. After that, I'm going to move it over to acid, straight acid. I am using vinegar today for the purposes of demonstration. It's safer. I'm going to swirl that for 5 to 10 seconds, thoroughly rinse it off, and then reinstall it into my flow cell. Same thing goes for the ORP probe. 5 to 10 seconds in the soapy water, 5 to 10 seconds in the acid, rinse it, reinstall it in the flow cell. And then I'm not going to do any set point adjustment for up to 15 minutes while those levels equalize. You can get acidic or highly concentrated chlorinated water inside your flow cell, and that will throw your readings off for quite a while. So let your system flush out before you do any set points.